Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva for graphic design step by step clearly. To install Canva for graphic design, start by opening your device's web browser. In the search bar, type Canva and press enter. Click on the official Canva website link in the search results. When the site loads, look for the sign up or login option and click on it. If you are new to Canva, select the sign up option. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Follow the prompts to set up your account by entering your details. Once signed up, you will be taken to the Canva dashboard. To install the Canva app, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the section titled Apps. Click on Canva for desktop if you are using a computer. If you are on a mobile device, navigate to your App Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store and search for Canva. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store and type Canva in the search bar. In both cases, locate the official Canva app and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Explore the app interface, which includes various design templates and tools. Familiarize yourself with the features available for graphic design. You are now ready to start creating stunning graphics with Canva. Enjoy designing your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.